Did you know, just like Emirates, Etihad also have cabin crew open days? Yes, you heard that right. The only difference is that the open days with Etihad are not as often as they are with Emirates. And so, in this video, we will be taking about Etihad Cabin Crew Open Day. I will also share with you how to register and everything you need to know. Now, first things first, Etihad has two types of cabin crew recruitment. There's invite only, and there's open day. For the invite only, the good news is that Etihad is and has been actively hiring worldwide for over 3 years now. That means they are hiring all nationalities. So, if you haven't sent your application yet, please do. And don't worry, if they do not have assessment events in your country, you will be invited to do the entire assessment online. But, in this video, we'll only be talking about the open day. By the way, I already did a video explaining the difference between open day, CV drop, invite only, and walk-in. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure you check it out so you don't miss out on the full picture. So let's get into Etihad's open day. Unlike Emirates, Etihad's open day is not posted on their career page. Instead, they usually announce it on their official social media pages and also on their events page. But here's the thing, if you don't want to miss out, make sure you join our WhatsApp or Telegram page because I always share the upcoming events there, and it's free for everyone to join. I will share the link to join in the description box. Now, when there's an Etihad Cabin Crew Open Day happening near you, the first step is registration. And this part is completely different from Emirates Open Day. I've already done full detailed videos for the two, what to expect and how to prepare, so don't forget to check that out as well. For Etihad to register, you just click on the link to their events page. Once you open it, all the details about the country, venue and time will be right there. And listen, here you're not applying for the job yet, so don't be afraid to register. There's no CV needed at this stage. All you do is fill in your name, your email address, your phone number, country of residence, and how you heard about the event. Then you confirm that you'll be attending the assessment. And that's it. Simple as that. So that's how you register for the Etihad Cabin Crew Open Day. For the CV, I have already done a video about the CV to bring to the open day and the assessment day. It always should be a one-page. Make sure to watch it for the full guide. I actually have lots of emails and comments from a number of cabin crew applicants asking me how to apply. I completely don't understand what you want, but if you mean step-by-step guide on how to apply, that is from sending your CV, filling in your personal information, answering the few questions asked, and finally submitting the application. Let me know, and I will do a video about the same. Or still help me understand what you mean, and I would be more than happy to help. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who's dreaming of joining Etihad. See you in the next one.